Have you heard about rosemary? We're not referring to a person. Rosemary is an aromatic plant indigenous to the Mediterranean region. It has a warm, bitter flavor and imparts a pleasant flavor and scent to numerous meals. Additionally, rosemary can be utilized in tea, essential oil, and liquid extract. You better watch this video because we'll talk about the benefits of incorporating rosemary to your diet. Rosemary is well known for more than just its pleasant aroma and flavor. The herb is also lauded for the various positive effects it has on one's health. Rosemary has been utilized for its therapeutic properties for ages due to its high iron and calcium content, as well as its high vitamin A, C, and B6 content. By the way, before we discuss the benefits of consuming rosemary, please take note that the information contained in this video is not intended to be a substitute for professional advice, so make sure to ask your doctor if you have any concerns about a medical condition. Now, for number 1. Rich in antioxidants, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Now that the coronary virus is causing problems around the world, body immunity is very important. We need to keep our immune system strong so that our bodies can fight off the effects of viruses that could get inside. We need to eat lots of antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants are chemicals that keep the body from getting hurt by oxidation, which is caused by things like stress and pollution. If these pollutants aren't fixed, they can cause long-term diseases like cancer, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. The good news is that rosemary is a good plant that has polyphenolic compounds like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid that make it rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Researchers found that these two compounds slow the growth of tumors, leukemia, breast, and prostate cancer cells. Rosmarinic acid on its own is a natural preservative that can make food last longer before it goes bad. Rosemary is also good because it has an antimicrobial property that helps the body fight off infections. Because it can kill bacteria and heal wounds, rosemary has been praised and used a lot to treat cuts and scrapes. Number 2. Lowers the blood sugar level. People with high blood sugar are very likely to hurt their eyes, heart, kidneys, or nervous system. This is why people with diabetes need to keep a close eye on their blood sugar levels. Taking diabetes medicine can help keep the sugar level down. Long-term use of the same can cause problems with several organs, so it would be better to find other ways to control blood sugar levels. Out of these is the use of herbs like rosemary, which is full of carnosic acid, and rosmarinic acid, which are compounds that help control blood sugar. These two compounds have effects on blood sugar that are similar to insulin. They are known to lower blood sugar and make the body take in more glucose. Number 3. Boosts memory and improves your mood. Do you forget stuff often? Age? Lifestyle? These are possibilities. Stress and worry make people forgetful and unfocused. Stress inflames the hippocampus. The hippocampus affects feelings, learning, and memory. Studies demonstrate that drinking or breathing in rosemary tea reduces anxiety. They could focus better, were happier during tests, and did well. Before a mental test, pupils inhaled rosemary for 4 to 10 minutes. After breathing in oil, students' activity, blood pressure, heart rate, and breathing rate improved. Another study found that providing staff 2 tablespoons of rosemary in 150 milliliters of water daily for 2 months improved memory and reduced burnout. You could use rosemary. Mix rosemary extract and water. Rosemary tablets are also available. Most people use rosemary tea and oil. Rosemary oil therapy is popular. People feel better, and mental alertness improves initially. Number 4. Good for digestion. The fact that rosemary helps to keep a healthy balance of bacteria in the digestive tract is the primary explanation for why it is effective in treating indigestion. Additionally, it decreases inflammation in the stomach. When there is no inflammation in the stomach, the organ is able to function normally, which stops indigestion from occurring. Number 5. Good for the eyes. Macular degeneration and cataracts are two common eye problems that can be caused by aging or by diseases that start in other parts of the body. People who have the rosmarinic acid were found to delay the onset of cataracts or reduce its severity. Cataracts are a gradual clouding of the eyes that can make people go blind. One study also found that adding rosemary extract to common eye treatments like zinc oxides and antioxidant combinations can slow the process of age-related eye diseases or age-related macular degeneration. Now for number 6. Regulates blood pressure. Researchers have previously found that people with low blood pressure whose systolic and diastolic blood pressure were measured benefited greatly from using rosemary oil. Number 7. Improves brain health. According to research conducted on rosemary, consuming this herb either in the form of tea or oil assists patients in recovering from the effects of a stroke, a condition that has the potential to cause damage to the brain. The chemicals in rosemary aid to stop the death of brain cells in patients who are receiving treatment with it. Consequently, the body will be protected from Alzheimer's disease. Number 8. Prevents kidney damage. The protein content of diabetes patients' urine can be reduced by using rosemary, which, according to the research, helps protect the kidneys from harm. Diabetic kidney disease is indicated by the presence of protein in the urine. Number 9. Relieves arthritis pain. Arthritis is when one or more joints get swollen. Pain relievers, medicines for the joints, or natural remedies can be used to treat it. One plant that is used to treat arthritis is rosemary. This is especially true when people over 65 who are more likely to have arthritis and for people who are overweight. It's best to use natural remedies instead of taking pain relievers over and over again because that can damage your organs. Rosemary has olenolic acid in it, which is known to ease arthritis pain. Rosemary oil was also found to improve blood flow to the joints and relieve pain in the joints and muscles. Number 10. Cures gingivitis. Do you struggle with persistent foul breath? Maybe you have gingivitis. Utilize rosemary. Gargling rosemary tea as herbal mouthwash has been shown in studies to reduce gum swelling. This gargle is supposed to help stop gum bleeding if used after meals for 2 weeks. Last but not the least, number 11. Promotes hair growth. Are you experiencing issues with your hair? Those who have tried rosemary tea and found that it stimulates hair development recommend using rosemary tea as a last rinse for the hair. It's also claimed that using rosemary oil to the scalp would lessen the amount of hair that is lost. It's also thought that rosemary oil can assist in the treatment of male pattern baldness, often known as androgenic alopecia. In little amounts, rosemary has no known negative effects, but in excessive amounts, it can cause nausea, vomiting, muscle spasms, and even pulmonary edema. So before adding rosemary to your diet, talk to your medical professional. Have you tried consuming rosemary before? Do you think it's effective? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you learned something from the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification. And if you want to watch more of these quality contents, check out the video on the lower left corner and the playlist on the lower right corner. Thank you for watching Modern Health.